Hello and welcome to the June 2014 unboxing of Nerd Block. Now, I am going to make this a double video because we also today got my Loot Crate, so it's going to be the June 2014 Loot Crate unboxing as well. So without further ado, I don't need scissors. Do you need scissors?
Yep.
Alright. Now, the stuff I knew about this beforehand was there was supposed to be a Doctor Who surprise and 2 t-shirts, which is one more than usual. Unfortunately, I got spoiled a little bit due to the internet not wanting to tell me what one of the t-shirts was. Thanks, Bleeding Cool. So, I'll go ahead and start with the one that I knew about. The Iron Sentinel. And you can't see anything because it's so dark in here because there's the nuclear holocaust going on outside. Oh, there we go. The Iron Sentinel, which is a play off of the Iron Giant and also the X-Men's Sentinels. Now the other t-shirt is a pretty badass Ghostbusters shirt. Who You Gonna Call, featuring the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. So far, I've already gotten my money's worth. So far. Alright. I got a Luigi. Can't see due to the brightness of everything. I swear there's a Luigi in here, a Luigi Mario Kart. I wonder if he has the, no, he does not have the famous, or the infamous, death glare going on. That's too bad. Alright. Now the special Doctor Who is a Titans box filled with a random doctor. My wife is sick, by the way, so it's make her feel better time.
Ah, it's 10. And the Sonic.
Oh yay! You be able to like have him, you know, pose with his Sonic. I wonder if they all come with Sonics, or if it's just certain ones. Because I don't understand why if they'd have like MI6 would have one or something. But I don't know. 10 is one of the most popular ones, so at least we got one that we'll enjoy. Although I'd enjoy any of them because Doctor Who is awesome. Alright. It's like we have a Minecraft sticker. Still yet to play Minecraft, and the only thing I really know about it is from what other people have told me, and also like the Creeper's appearance in Borderlands 2. Okay, last but not least is another box. Place. Okay, I don't know what any of that is. Oh, it's one of those neat little things that I've kind of always wanted when I was a kid. That never really got. Yeah, on the. And there's an indentation of my face. It's like clone a face now. But it's a Nerd Block Special Edition.
Finally, none.
I'm just kidding. Alright, and
It's too sticky.
so you recall Nerd Block used to have like. No, wait, no, I'm thinking of Loot Crate. Never mind. I get sometimes I get them mixed up, and that's it for our Nerd Block. Are you having too much fun back there with that? Alright, now to see if Loot Crate has lived up to its reputation that's had for the last couple months with me and had some awesome stuff. Or if we go back to like the first month I had it, in which I just wasn't all that impressed. I don't know. Being a nerd of some things and not other things kind of is a little hard to do. Now, I've had a couple people on Facebook ruin me on the t-shirt this month. But that's alright because it's a awesome shirt. We have a. Trying to get the whole thing in there. Can't really see it due to the fact that, again, the nuclear holocaust is outside and the lighting in here is not that great right now. It is a Back to the Future Transformers crossover. Really? More for me. Got a Major League Gaming something. Wrist cup? Okay. I think they gave me a wrist cup before.
Yep.
Yeah. Got a Blue Raspberry Warhead.
Ooh.
What's wrong with you?
Warheads are gross.
Warheads are delicious. Also, I apparently have 2 of them. 3 of them.
I was thinking of them make my mouth water.
Got a Transformers Decepticon Lockdown. Don't know if it's just a small toy or what. Now we have a Transformers blind box here,
I'll open it.
similar to the Titans figure that I had. What do you want me to talk about? I'm
Oh,
waiting
you're
on
making
you.
a video for people.
Again, she's sick. She gets stupid things. Are you excited yet? Is it like Christmas today?
That's the building.
Um,
I don't think it goes to. Yeah, I'm not doing all that.
okay.
Hold on.
Did you lose something? It is a Autobot Prowl that we have to build. Doesn't look like it'll be too difficult to build, but ain't nobody got time for that right now. Got a Transformer sticker. A Major League Gaming $5 value to Game Battles Premium Access. I do all my gaming on the 360, so that's not really going to do me any good. A Major League Gaming sticker set. And this month's Loot Crate button, which is can't see whatsoever. Transform. And the booklet, which we didn't have last month, but they have this month, so I guess that wasn't something that worked out with the digital front. So comparisons. I really enjoyed this month's Nerd Block. I got a Doctor Who figure that I wanted. The problem with the blind boxes is just you have no idea what's in it, so you could be spending $10 or however much they cost on something you possibly don't want, or a double of something you've already bought. So I normally don't buy them. But getting them in a Loot Crate or Nerd Block or something, you're not paying as much for it, and it's, I don't know, I like that surprise a little bit better. I enjoyed all three shirts. Let's see, I don't know what happened to the rest of the stuff.
Like
Yeah.
Luigi.
The Luigi figure's cool.
This thing's cool.
That thing, which I don't know what the hell the name of it is.
Fun needle time.
I've never known what the name of those things were. The pin thing. I don't know. It's kind of neat and everything. On the other hand, the Loot Crate was not as fun. I'm not a big Transformers fan, nor am I into Major League Gaming, so kind of disappointed a little bit. Except for the Back to the Future shirt, because that's just awesome. It's just awesome. I guess that's all for now. I will be doing this again next month. Maybe not a double video due to the fact that they might not come on the same day. They probably won't come on the same day. But let's hope that next month is at least as good.